Hello, I see you're interested in possibly making your own mineral makeup or even utilising the skills from this course for creating your own unique colours. Well, we cover a wealth of different things on this course. Firstly, we look at the ingredients that are regularly used in mineral makeup. We'll be covering things like opacity, translucency, luminosity, understanding adhesion and glide, blendability, the types of finishes that you get from the ingredients, whether they're matte, silk, pearlescent, or even more of a sheen to them. And then we'll be looking at which things you can include as binders. There are over 100 formulations in this course, and they cover a wealth of different type of makeup products, including mineral concealers, mineral foundations, beautiful blushes, bronzing powders, illuminators, and a full natural range of mineral eyeshadows. Learning how to blend colour is really important whether you are making your own makeup or whether you want to use these for specialty colours in your soap or other cosmetics range. It's certainly going to be something that you're going to have just a huge amount of fun with, and it's going to be really practical for you too. You'll learn how you can adapt the shades for warm tones, for cool tones, and we'll be covering a wide range of different skin shades. It's a course that's just so full of fun, and I really hope that we see you soon. Bye bye for now.